Hi, I'm Amber and welcome to my mom's channel, All About Home. Today we're gonna make Maki sushi. Let's start!
Now let us prepare the sushi rice. We need 4 tablespoons rice vinegar for 4 cups of steamed sushi rice, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix to dissolve the salt and the sugar. Combine the rice vinegar solution and 4 cups of sushi rice. Then mix. For steaming the rice, just follow the instruction you can see on its packaging, or for every 1 cup of rice, use 1.5 cup water. After mixing, cover it with damp cloth so it will not get dry, and then set aside. Now to prepare the tuna filling, we will use 2 to 3 tablespoons tuna flakes in oil, 1 teaspoon pickled relish, pinch of salt, and sugar. Also, you may add 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Then mix. For our filling, we have the tuna mixture, mango strips, cucumber, egg, and crab sticks. So it's time to roll. We have these Nori sheets, shiny side down. Place our rice. You may also wrap the bamboo mat with cling wrap so the rice will not stick to it. On the Nori sheet, add 1 cup of rice and then spread. Spread the rice. After spreading the rice on the Nori sheet, it's time to place our filling. Let's now put our cucumber, mango, and crab roll. Roll the maki using the bamboo mat. Add some pressure as you roll. For the second one, we will have the tuna egg filling. Now place the cucumber strips on the rice, followed by the scrambled egg, tuna mixture. You may also add cooked carrots if desired.
Look at that.
After rolling the tuna egg filling, cut it into serving size using a wet bread knife.
So let's taste it.